Today is the last day before school starts tomorrow. I am kind of nervous, but kind of excited. It has sure been a fun summer, so let's finish it off with some fun. We have an end of summer party at the beach. Let's see what our friends are thinking about school tomorrow. Bopa, what a great summer we have had. Are you excited for school tomorrow? I am so excited to see all our friends again. And we get to take Tippy Toes dance classes again. Are you excited for school tomorrow?
I'm kind of nervous, Tippy. What if something scary happens?
Freddy, you will have all your best friends with you. Nothing scary will happen when we are together. Buzz, are you excited for school tomorrow?
I am hoping it is canceled, Tippy.
Buzz, the weather is perfect. They only cancel school for snow days, you silly goose.
Buzz, I went to school last year. It was so fun. You don't need to be scared.
Yeah, Buzz, tell yourself that you will make 3 new friends. That will make you ready for school. One trick I do before school is to bring the teacher a gift. That way you will be the class favorite.
Those are great ideas.
Yes! Thank you, friends. I think I can do it. I love being encouraged.
Buzz, we had so much fun this summer. We need one more adventure.
I agree, but I don't see anything crazy happening today. Do you?
Nope and nope. Seems like a pretty normal day so far. Buzz, have you ever seen a trampoline on a beach?
Never. Let's see what it does. Whoa! Did you see that?
I think it wants us to jump. 1, 2, 3! Yeah!
We're flying!
It's beautiful.
Who lives way up here? We found a new world up in the clouds.
Did you know this was here?
Let's go see who lives in the castle. Should we go inside?
Only one way to find out.
Look at this whisk!
Maybe it's for making something special.
It's working!
Oh, we're whisking
Keep
up
stirring.
sweetness, shaking up fun, sprinkling sunshine for everyone. We're whisking up
It's
sweetness,
working.
shaking up bliss.
It's stirring.
What could be better than this?
Keep stirring.
Everybody get in the groove. It's a sweet shop, candy bop, show
It's
us
getting
some moves.
bigger.
Twist it, dip it,
That's a
drizzle and
lot
dust.
of
It's
chocolate.
a sweet shop, candy bop, dance, it's a must. You know we're whisking up sweetness, shaking up fun,
making it
sprinkling
worse.
sunshine for everyone. We're whisking up
Don't give up.
sweetness, shaking up bliss. What could be better than this?
It's spinning.
Come on, friends, shake, rattle, and roll.
Maybe
it's a gourmet
one more
groove time
stir.
at Tippy Toes. Got to savor the Tippy Toes way. It's a sweet tooth truth meant to whisk you away. We're whisking up sweetness, shaking up fun, sprinkling sunshine for everyone. We're whisking up sweetness, shaking up bliss. What could be better than this?
It's spinning.
Maybe one more stir. It smells
Gonna dance,
delicious.
until we
Delicious.
drop.
But we have to stop it.
We're gonna whisk that sweetness up, so the fun will never stop. Fun will never stop. We're whisking up sweetness, shaking up fun.
Where's it going?
Sunshine for everyone. We're whisking up sweetness,
while Tippy and Buzz were having fun above the clouds, they didn't realize it was making a giant chocolate mess in our town of Tippiville. And boy, did make a mess. Let's see how much of a mess they left behind.
It's everywhere! Do you think we will still have school tomorrow?
I'm sure everything will be fine. But where in the world is Tippy and Buzz? And do you think Buzz is behind this? He really wanted school to be canceled.
That is interesting. I bet he is.
I didn't even know this world existed. That was so fun! Can't wait to tell Freddie and Bopa what we found. They will never guess. Oh no, what happened? Our whisking up sweetness made the town get covered in chocolate. We were too late.
Do you think school will be canceled? I sure hope so!
We made this mess. Now we need to fix it. But how?
I got it! Let's get the fire truck and wash down Tippiville. That should fix it for sure.
We will have to cancel school tomorrow. Hopefully, it can be cleaned up soon.
What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day.
All
Time for
right,
dance
fire
and
truck.
fun, and
Let's
to
go
shine
clean
like
up the city.
sun. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Tippy Toes Day. It's Tippy Toes Day. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Clap them high, clap them in the sky. Now clap them low, clap them by your toe. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Tippy Toes Day. It's Tippy Toes Day. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Gallop to the side, gallop like a pony ride. Gallop back to your spot, gallop, gallop, a whole lot. It's Tippy Toes Day. Tippy Toes Day. It's Tippy Toes Day. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Passe, touch your knee. Passe along with me. Passe the other way. Passe on this happy, 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 happy day. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Tippy Toes Day. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. What do you say? It's Tippy Toes Day. Time for dance and fun and to shine like the sun.
You did it, Buzz! Nice work! We got Tippiville cleaned up, and we can have our first day of school! I really wanted school to be canceled, but now I think I'm ready! It will be a great day! I am not nervous anymore! Good luck to everyone starting school this week! Have a Tippy Toes Day! Hi, friends! Make sure you subscribe and visit our store to find dolls of me and my friends. Hope you enjoyed the show. Come with me and watch the next video now. Let's go!